Welcome to the filming of our next Sencor commercial for 2018. This commercial will be presenting our new, fully automatic Sencor Espresso machine. Today we would really like to show off this amazing appliance. Its minimalist, elegant design, hiding the strength and power required to create really amazing espresso. Just one touch is enough to create true espresso with its surface layer of crema, the creamy, foamy top layer that only real espresso has. Espresso, cappuccino, latte, rich, creamy coffee that we can sense and taste. Our job is to visualize the rich, creamy taste of the coffee that is made in our espresso machine as moving images for our commercial. So today we are lucky enough to have a professional barista with us on set who is preparing all the coffee in our espresso machine for our filming. We are also happy to welcome back the face of Sencor, top model Simona Krajnova. Simona brings the emotional element to our filming, and her shots will remind us all about what a great feeling it is to drink really excellent coffee.